Welcome to this free keto meal plan training. In this short demo, I'll show you exactly how the keto diet works and how you can start burning fat faster without starving. Keto is not about eating less. It's about eating the right foods so your body switches into fat burning mode, also called ketosis. When you reduce carbs and increase healthy fats, your body stops using sugar and starts burning stored fat for energy. Here's a simple beginner keto meal plan you can follow. Breakfast, eggs with butter and avocado. Lunch, grilled chicken with olive oil salad. Dinner, fish or meat with low-carb vegetables. Snacks, nuts or cheese. The key is low carbs, high healthy fats, and moderate protein. Most people fail keto because they eat hidden carbs, they don't track meals, they quit too early. Consistency is the secret. If done correctly, many people start seeing results within the first week. More energy, less hunger, and gradual fat loss. Now, what you've seen here is just a basic demo to help you understand how keto works. If you want the complete keto system, including full 30-day meal plans, exact recipes, step-by-step guidance, done-for-you diet structure, then click the link in the description below, https:/3znsnv9t, and get access to the full program. Your transformation doesn't start tomorrow. It starts with the decision you make today. Click the link, take action, and start your journey now.